I know some of you got flowers or plants as Christmas presents. You may want to keep those inside for another week or so before planting. Check out this morning's Weekend Gardener with John Dromgoole.
Hello gardening friends, welcome to the Weekend Gardener. So Christmas is past now and you received a bunch of living plants for Christmas, and it's time to take many of them outside, like the stone pines. These guys, a few days inside are fine, but these are really outdoor plants. So as quickly as you can, get them outside, get them to growing. You know, if you don't have space in your yard at home, then why not donate them to a school or a church or some other place that could benefit from having a tree like this. I think the only little thing would be go plant it for them. Don't just hand it to them. Poinsettias, they're going to be through blooming in a few weeks. They really last a long time. But at that point, you go ahead and you cut them way back down here, and new growth will occur, and it makes a wonderful green plant for all of the year until it blooms again next fall. And we'll talk about how to get them to bloom again in the fall. Christmas cactus, this is an epiphyte. It lives up in the trees off the coastal areas of South America. Beautiful little plant, and I think that it can be a specimen as it grows through the season, and once again bloom in the fall as we go into Christmas time. This one also needs a bright, shady area outside, but it won't take the cold, or it won't take a freeze. So make sure that you protect it until spring gets here. Makes a great hanging basket. And speaking of some of these plants, they came in a foil or a plastic liner, and then they'll hold too much water, so go ahead and take those off because you'll drown them by mistake. They just don't drain well. This is a rosemary topiary. This is a beautiful little Christmas present that a lot of people get. This is also to be planted out in the yard. Find a nice sunny place where you want your herbs, and you'll have a beautiful specimen over the years just to remember this Christmas. Finally, a lot of folks use the Norfolk pine indoors for their Christmas tree. This is an indoor plant. This will not take the cold, so make sure that if you get one of these Norfolks that you put them outdoors only during the warm months. Well, that's it. Take good care of those Christmas presents that you got, those living ones, and make sure that you get them outside. And you know what? Have a happy New Year.